Learn how to install pre-2016 BOB Stroller Front Wheels. Your BOB Stroller is designed to take you on the go, with features like the front wheel quick release. The front wheel quick release allows you to quickly and easily remove the front wheel, making it compact enough to put in your car. An improperly secured front quick release can cause the wheel to vibrate, wobble, or become detached from the stroller and can cause severe injury. This video will help you properly secure the quick release on your BOB Revolution Flex, Pro, SE, CE, Stroller Strides, Sport Utility, and Ironman strollers. This video applies to BOB jogging strollers manufactured before September 30th, 2015, which contain front forks with dropouts. To install the front wheel, set the parking brake and tip the stroller onto its back wheels. A swivel locking front wheel allows you to change between walking mode and jogging mode by locking the front wheel. The front wheel must always be locked when in jogging mode. A fixed front wheel does not have a swivel option for walking mode, so it always remains in the locked position. If you have a fixed wheel stroller, prior to installing the front wheel, it is necessary to open the brake release to provide clearance for the wheel to pass the brake pads. Open the brake release by rotating the brake release lever away from the brake pads. If you have a swivel wheel, place the front wheel swivel knob in the locked position and rotate the fork forward until it locks. Step 1. To begin the installation, face the front of the stroller and push the wheel axle rod fully into the fork dropouts so that the axle firmly contacts the top of the dropouts and the wheel is centered left to right. The quick release lever will be on the right. Step 2. Open the quick release lever 90 degrees from the fork. The bottom curved portion of the quick release lever should be facing you as shown. Step 3. While holding the quick release lever at 90 degrees, tighten the tension adjusting nut on the opposite side of the axle with your left hand until it is as tight as you can secure it with your own strength against the fork dropout. The quick release lever should remain stationary as you tighten the tension adjusting nut. Do not twist the quick release lever. Only the nut should be turned. The quick release lever should not rotate or be twisted around to attempt to tighten the front wheel to the fork. Step 4. To close the quick release lever, wrap your fingers around the fork blade and push the quick release lever into the fully closed position with the palm of your hand. It will take significant force, approximately 25 to 30 pounds of force, to close the quick release lever. The proper force required to close the quick release lever will leave a visible imprint in the palm of your hand. Make sure that the gap between the quick release lever and the fork is minimal, about 1/8 of an inch. The quick release lever should be parallel to the fork blade, and the word close should be visible on the quick release lever. If you can't close the quick release, return the lever to the 90-degree position, loosen the nut slightly, and repeat the installation steps above. Now check to make sure the wheel is correctly installed. Try to open the quick release lever with one finger. If you can't open the quick release lever, it has sufficient clamping force. If you can easily open the lever with one finger as shown, then the quick release does not have sufficient force. You need to reinstall the quick release. Pull on the front wheel several times to ensure that the front wheel is secured. If the axle moves or rattles when you pull on the wheel, you need to reinstall the quick release. Note: if you have a fixed front wheel stroller, after installing the front wheel, the brake release will need to be placed in the closed position. Close the brake release lever by squeezing the brake pads toward the wheel with either hand, then rotate the brake release lever with your other hand toward the wheel. Prior to first use, ensure that the brake caliper is engaged. This concludes the educational video on proper installation of the quick release feature on your BOB jogging stroller. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that this video was helpful in the installation of your quick release feature.